All right, so let's say that you have a quick question that you want to ask me, or you want me to go ahead and take a look at your work. Kind of quick, like to see how things are going. What you're going to use is the chat feature. So let me show you the chat feature. So if you go to your upper right hand corner of your document, inside that circle, you can see a little hand there. So what's going to happen is that you'll go to that hand, click it. It's going to bring out this little fly menu here. So let's go ahead and play around with please help. So you're working on a challenge and you have a quick question. So you click on please help. You go down to type message box. I don't know, you do something like for number 2, does the line go through the point of origin? You'll take that message, you'll send it. And what happens on my end as a teacher, I'll go ahead and look and I'll say, hey, I see a hand here. It's a green one. So I look and it says, please help. So what I'm going to do is go back and look at your work. I'd click on that and see and answer your question as it comes up. So let's say that you don't necessarily have a question. Let me clear that. All right, let me go here, clear this, clear hands. Let's say that you don't necessarily have a question, but you want Mr. Heath to go and take a look at your work and see if it's okay. All right, so once again, click on the hand, but I suppose presenting a question or anything like that, you just press please check. What happens on my end is that I see that please check and I go over, I work on the slide and everything like that. I'll clear that out and then that'll be it. So once again, let me close that out. If you're looking at ask me a quick question, use the chat function right there. If you want to see if some step or process or part of your work is correct or whatever, use the chat function right there. Hit that chat. Please help if it's going to be something like this. For number 2, there's a line, go to the point of origin. Or if you're looking for me to look at your work, hit please check. You raise your hand for a check and go from there, and I'll check it and respond to you both ways. All right, hopefully that should give you clarity on how you can reach out to me as you work on these challenges. All right.